Please have some patience. I have a big topic to say. So contestant number 4, Toastmaster Shankar. Below 18 years, heart patients, pregnant ladies, please don't listen to this roast, as few masters along with their family members are roasted without their consent. Below 18 years, heart patients, pregnant ladies, please don't listen to this roast, as few Toastmasters along with their family members are roasted without their consent. Toastmaster Shankar.
3 years ago, a bunch of enthusiastic Toastmasters planned to start an advanced Toastmasters club in Tamil Nadu overnight. Within a jiffy, the expectation became a reality. For the first time, Advanced Toastmaster Club was born in Tamil Nadu, and distinguished Toastmaster Jayan Narayanan was made as the first president of Meraki. But at that time, the club ExCom were spotted with a worry on their face. They had this $1,000,000 question. They want the club to take it to greater heights, but our president is not even 4 feet height. How it is possible? That's when the then distinguished Toastmaster Sastaram Ravindran came up with a brilliant idea. If you have ever witnessed the physical meeting of Meraki, there will be a small podium. Generally, speakers rest their hands, but Toastmaster Jain used it as a stand and stood on it for the entire term and delivered his presidential address. Yes, distinguished Toastmaster Jain was physically made visible and the club reached greater heights. Thanks to the small stool, as Sasta made fool of Jain to make him look absolutely cool. Within a year, the club reached greater heights, and this time the baton was passed to one of the heavyweights of District 82. Have you ever witnessed the characteristics of Osama bin Laden in anyone? Then you should ask Toastmaster Vijay's husband. Yes, distinguished Toastmaster Vijay was made as the second president of the prestigious club Meraki. But even that Osama bin Laden was posed a threat. Yes, there was this enigmatic Toastmaster, enigmatic gentleman who was truly impressed by the 25th milestone of Meraki, and he immediately went to Vijay to get him enrolled himself. Toastmaster Vijay, I want to become a Meraki member. But sir, you have to be a Toastmaster first, then only you can become an advanced Toastmaster. Stop right there, Vijay. Do you know whom you're talking to? My grandfather was a Toastmaster. My grandmother was a Toastmaster. And my parents are distinguished Toastmaster. Better induct me. But sir, this is not Medley Toastmasters. This is Meraki Toastmasters. You have to fulfill the criteria. If I tell once, it's like repeating 100 times. Better induct me. Toastmaster Anirudh, today's Toastmaster of the day, became a Meraki member that day so easily. See, nepotism works even in Toastmasters. After a topsy-turvy journey, distinguished Toastmaster Vijay passed the metal to one of the logical and reasoning Toastmaster, distinguished Toastmaster Ramalingam. One of his bold logic was accepting a Bengali as a VP. Poor Ramalingam does not understand the simple logic of his life. You know, people from West Bengal, they exist in the East and they call themselves they are from West Bengal. Distinguished Toastmaster Shubhadev Panik. He existed as a VP for 6 months, but he did not even exist as a member for next 6 months. Toastmaster Ramalingam had a Herculean task, and that's when distinguished Toastmaster Vijay joined hands with Toastmaster Aarti and took the responsibility of it. Friends, so far what you have witnessed is the evolution of Meraki, But what you're going to witness in the future is the revolution in Meraki, because we have our torch bearer, the incoming presiding officer, distinguished Toastmaster Satish Kumar, as the incoming president of Meraki Toastmasters. It would be a cardinal sin if I talk about Satish at the end of my speech. Satish, please stay tuned. Until next time, to be continued. Over to Contest Master.
Wow.
Excellent.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shankar. Contestant number 5, DTM Karthik. Mount Meraki. Mount Meraki, DTM Karthik.
If I ask you, who is the first president of America,